4 red flags that you're settling in a relationship and how to fix it. And no, this is not another video of just telling you to leave straight away. I've helped 21,000 plus coaches in the last year alone level up their skills by understanding human psychology and behavior on a deep level. First red flag, emotional exhaustion. What if the clearest signal that you're settling was how you feel after you've been with them? Love isn't meant to drain you. It's meant to fuel you. Real love supports you and energizes you, even through all the challenges. Notice, do you feel anxious or tired, emotionally drained after your interactions, wondering, have you lost your spark or your spirit? Because a healthy relationship fills you up. It doesn't deplete who you are. Love should comfort you and not exhaust you. Red flag number 2, ignoring your own needs. Being emotionally tired is tough, but ignoring your needs will make your life much harder. Settling means that you are often compromising without any reciprocation. A true partnership offers mutual care, mutual respect, and mutual compromise. Reflect, are your dreams, are your needs constantly sidelined? It is not selfish to expect balance. It's an essential part for your life. Emotional exhaustion stems from needs not being met. And true love will never ask you to abandon yourself. 3, doubting yourself. When you constantly ignore your needs, you begin to doubt yourself, your worth, and everything that you bring to the table. Because love should empower your decision making, not disempower you. Notice, do you question yourself over and again? Do you question your instincts? Do you feel hesitant to speak up? Are you scared of expressing yourself for upsetting the other person? The right relationship strengthens your self-belief, doesn't erode it. The last one is subtle but powerful. Number 4, fear of being alone. You stay because you're afraid of being alone, whereas real love isn't chosen from fear. It's chosen freely and confidently. Consider, are you staying because it feels safer than being single, yet you're not getting your needs met? So even as a single person, you'd have a greater chance of meeting your own needs and then meeting someone else that would combine that. Remember, the fear of loneliness actually confines us longer than the actual loneliness itself. Healthy love invites you to explore bigger possibilities. It never traps you. Here's something crucial to remember. Realizing that you're settling is a big step. Awareness empowers you. Only action will transform you. Subscribe for the next video. I'm going to share with you 5 powerful ways to rebuild your self-confidence, your self-love, so you can get the relationship you deserve. Subscribe to see that video.